BTArtbox Gel Press-On Nails. Hey everyone, are you tired of spending hours at the salon for nails that only last a couple of weeks? What if I told you there's a fabulous solution that's not only gorgeous, but also super affordable and easy to apply? Today, I'm diving into the world of BeautyOnABudget pressed-on nails, a stunning set of 30 pieces that are transforming your look in minutes. Stick around and I'll take you through the entire process from unboxing to applications and showing you why these press-on nails are a game changer for anyone that's looking to elevate their nail game without breaking the bank. All right, now I'm going to introduce these simple steps to apply the ArtBox Gel Press-On Nails. Okay, all right, everyone. Now let's get into the 6 simple steps to achieve the best results with ArtBox Gel Press-On Nails. Trust me, you won't want to skip any of these for the flawless finish. All right, number 1, file your nail. Starting by gently filing your natural nail to create a smooth surface. Okay, 2, clean up. Make for sure to clean your hands and your nails thoroughly to remove all oils and residue. Number 3, choose the right size. Select the perfect size for each press-on nails. If one is a bit big, then no worries. Just file it down using the nail filing included in the kit. Number 4, you guys, press firmly, okay? Once you chose the right size, press the gel nails firmly onto the natural nail. Remember to tear off the protective film from the gel before applying. Okay, you guys, 5, seal it in. Use the little nail shield guard to push down on the sticker, reassuring there are no air bubbles and that it heals neatly. 6, you guys, set it for 60 seconds. Finally, hold each nail in place for about 60 seconds to secure them perfectly. Just washed my hands so I can get them nice and dry with no oils on them. I'll file them down just a little bit because I want to make for sure they can really stick on there. It's no lotion, no oil. Keep it really dry. That's how you get them to stay nice and long. All right, so if they're secure perfectly, that's great. If they're a little bit loose, then you can lift them up slightly and put some nail glue in there. For sure, you apply some of the nail glue actually on the nail and the sticker at the same time, but not too much because you could always put nail glue on top of it around the edges of the nails so it won't lift. And at the final results, number 9, you guys, all you need to do is wipe it off with the alcohol wipes. They come in the package of 2 little alcohol wipes. Only one will work for all 10 fingers. And just go ahead and wipe off the excess little dirt or any like debris or any glue left over. It will just come right off. This glue, actually, you guys, is very strong. I was really surprised. I thought I would have to use a different glue, not the one that came in this kit, but it's no joke. It actually works very well. I hope you guys truly enjoy using this kit because this is definitely a game changer. You're going to see a big difference, and on top of it, you're going to get compliments and you're going to save so much more money using this kit. I am so excited that this company decided to give this to me, gift it to me, so I can do the proper review. And I definitely give this product 100%. Like, everything about it is so wonderful. And people are getting fooled. They think these are actually my real nails or fake nails, or I got them professionally done. When I tell them they're press-on, they're like, oh my gosh, and they have to look at them really close. As you see, the color has like this iridescent magnet chrome with sparkles. I mean, the colors and styles they have on their website are remarkable. And the price, you guys, is so affordable for the quality. These are not going to chip or break if you apply them on correctly. And then that's it. These press-on nails can last for at least 2 to 3 weeks. I personally had mine for about 2 weeks now, and they're still ongoing on strong. Sure, my thumb popped off when I was getting the kid out of the car seat, but that's all right. That's life. I've been doing everything, washing dishes, cleaning my car, and even giving the dogs a bath. And they're still amazing. They still look amazing. Please, you guys, leave comments down below and let me know if you're excited to try these or if you're having any questions. Trust me, press-on nails are a total game changer. I'm saving so much money and looking polished at the same time. So no more busted nails in my videos. If you are if you've clowned my nails in my previous video, well, you're not going to be clowning them no more. My nails are going to look flawless from here on out. Make for sure you give this video a thumbs up, you guys. Subscribe to my channel. And remember, thinking positive, be positive, you attract positive.